Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you have a 2005 to 2013 IS250 or IS350 and you're looking for an intake system, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. We designed this air intake system to utilize your factory air filter box and provide everything you need for a simple installation, including the tube, filter, couplers, and clamps. This high quality filter is designed to outflow your factory filter, and it's cleanable so you can reuse it over and over again. The CNC bent tube has a rugged powder coat finish to ensure this intake looks outstanding for the life of the product. Not only do these couplers look great, but they're going to provide a leak-free seal because of their reinforced design and the high quality clamps. The improvements in horsepower, torque, and fuel economy, combined with the great looks of this intake, make it a no-brainer for your next upgrade. To learn more about this intake, go to sikky.com and get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.